grab your Phillips screwdriver. There's 2 Phillips screws right here. Then with that, you can use your plastic pry tool. Start at the bottom. And there's just a single clip in this top left corner. And we can just unplug the 3 clips. This one you pull upward on the tab. Pull that out. Same with this guy here. And to remove this one, there's a clip on each side. So you have to pull away on this side as well as this side. There we go. Got that one out without breaking the clip. And on this part here, same concept. There's a clip on this side as well as this side. Okay, now that's out of the way. And to get more room, this vent is in there, but simply just pull on it and it will slide out. And then there's a wire holding this gauge cluster in place. That way it's not coming forward. So I'll show you how to undo that now. This is just for demonstration purposes. Ideally, you would not cut this piece, but you have to unplug this. That's what controls the odometer, as well as this clip here. So for this one, you just squeeze the sides, unplug that there. And then to remove this piece, I just like to grab it right here and pull backwards. Here, using this lever, I've angled the steering wheel downward so we have more room. Once you got it to this point, you want to go ahead and unplug this wiring harness.